In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable dictation in ChatGPT. If you've been seeing microphone options pop up while you type, or you prefer not to use voice-to-text inside ChatGPT, turning off dictation is quick and easy. I'll walk you through the exact path and share a few tips so you know what to expect. Start by opening ChatGPT on your device and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Now, look toward the bottom left of the interface. This is where your profile area lives. You should see your avatar or initials there. Go ahead and click your profile. This opens a small menu with a few options related to your account. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you to the main settings window where different preferences are organized by sections. Stay on the General tab. That's where we'll make the change. In the General section, look for an option labeled Enable Dictation. This toggle controls whether voice dictation is available while you're composing messages. If the toggle is currently on, click it once to turn it off. When it's disabled, the switch will indicate that dictation is no longer active. You don't need to save anything. Your change is applied right away. That's all there is to it. With dictation turned off, ChatGPT won't listen for voice input in the chat box, and you'll stick to typing as usual. A quick note for clarity. Disabling dictation here only affects voice-to-text inside the chat interface. It doesn't change any broader voice conversation features you might use elsewhere, and it doesn't modify your device's microphone permissions. If you ever want to manage microphone access at the system level, that would be done through your device's privacy settings separately. If you don't see the Enable Dictation option under General, try closing and reopening the app or refreshing the page to make sure you're on the latest interface. Interfaces can evolve, but the option should still live in Settings under the General section, and if you change your mind later, just return to the same place and toggle Enable Dictation back on. To recap, open ChatGPT, click your profile at the bottom left, choose Settings, stay on General, and turn off Enable Dictation. Simple, fast, and done. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you tailor ChatGPT to the way you like to work.